Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the light bulb in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new light bulb. There are several light bulbs in this refrigerator. We're going to show you a replacement of the one that is behind the meat pan in the fresh food compartment. If you notice that there is no light or very little light at the bottom of the refrigerator, the light bulbs should be checked and replaced if needed. Let's open the refrigerator door. To get to the light bulb we are going to replace, we need to remove the meat pan, the glass shelf, and the light lens behind the glass shelf. So let's start with the meat pan. Then we're going to lift up and remove the shelf. To remove the light lens, we're going to just pull it up and take it out. To take out the old light bulb, we just unscrew it, turning counterclockwise. This is the old light bulb next to the new one. If you don't have this light bulb, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Installation of the new light bulb is pretty basic. We insert it and turn it clockwise. And as you can see, they look quite different because they are very different. This is an LED light bulb, and this is the old type incandescent light bulb. So they will look very different. So one side of the fridge would be this color and the other side would be that color. So I recommend you, unless it's not bothering you, to replace both of them at the same time. Next, we're going to put the light lens back on. I'm going to position it over and leave it on. Next, the glass shelf goes on. We're going to need to put the hooks at the back of the shelf into the slots on the guides at the back. And then the meat pan goes back in. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.